Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I worked on KITT a little bit. I did the oil change. What else did I do? Oh, I painted the oil filter ball and the cover that goes on it, because it was red and I didn't like it, so that's done. And when I took that off, the filter is done, so I ordered one from Amazon, a Fram. Gonna receive that in 2 days, I think, the 12th. So now you can see here, that's my hood, the correct hood with the scoop, and here that says fragile. It's my blackout. So to install my blackout, I needed some 82 to 85 taillights, thanks to my friend Chris. Now I just popped off the plastic rivets here, took off the clips on the backside. The clips goes over here and over there. Take that off, and then you take a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and you pull on it like this to separate the cover of the taillight from the taillight itself. I already done one. I did this one. As you can see, that's with no cover on it. So now I'm gonna have to put some glue or silicone or something, because it flaps around like that and you don't want water or a rattle. So I'm gonna have to put something. And I'm about to do, whoops, I'm about to do the same thing on this one. Those are the factory tail light from this Firebird. It was red, just red tail lights that I tinted with a spray, black spray for that. I did it in a video on my channel, so they look good, but it's not the blackout. So yeah, I'm about to do this and figure a way to put my black on top of the taillight without covers. Oh yeah, and it was a success for my hood cable. That comes over here and goes over here. The cable just come, yeah, on the other side of that. The cable comes over here, move up, and I was able to put the cable behind the pin and come over it. So now when I pull the trigger over here, I don't think that's going to be the final spot for the handle, but for now it's here. Where is it? Right here. So when I pull on that, the trunk opens. So I needed that to put my blackout, because I didn't want to put a hole right in the middle of the blackout for the key, because in the show there was no hole in the blackout. So at least that's working. So that's good. I'm about to also to wire up my media player. I already have my cable that goes over here, and I am gonna have to wire this with the fuse holder and the switch. Where's my switch? And my switch. 3-pin switch. So I have to do that too. So, okay. I'll let you guys go and I'll do this tail light and I'll be back. Okay, so where's my screwdriver? It's over here. I just drilled the plastic rivet. You have to pop the plastic rivet with a punch and a hammer. You just give it a snap here and there, and it's like 40 years old tail light, so the plastic is very very hard and fragile. They will break. And I just took the drill and just drilled the plastic rivet out of there, so it's going to be maybe easier for me to separate those. Oh, see boy, I just broke the cover. Well, I don't need them, but I didn't want to break them. The other side went, the other tail light went easier. Come on. Maybe there's a little bit of glue or something. Well, this one is pretty hard. I don't want to. This side is pretty. Come on. Yep, there's definitely some glue. You can see all of that is glue. So that's why it's hard like that. Yeah. You can see the glue over here. maybe I think I'll try to heat it up with no, you stay there with my heat gun. I don't want to pull too hard. This one is a pain in the ass. Ow, my finger. Yeah, there's a mess. Yep, lots of glue on that one. Lots of glue. Wow. Wow. We got it. Yeah. Lots and lots of glue on this one. You can see all the glue over here. Wow, that's a lot. So now don't have to clean them and put the dabber of something over here. And that's what they look like when the cover is off. So that's it for now. If I can put the blackout on, I'll continue the video. Okay, so put some little screws, metal screws in it to keep them from rattling. No. Dang. Just short screws. Stay on you. See, just crack this one. No. And just one last one. So this won't rattle at all. So that's it with that. So that's what it's looked like when it's on the car. You see? Now it's not flush, so when you put the blackout with the blackout, the part is of the blackout is going to be flush to the car. So that's why you have to take off the cover, taillight cover. I'm going to paint those little screw black. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to mount the blackout, because for the top here it's not too complicated. It can just make some L bracket with a screw here and put some Velcro or something to hold the blackout here on top, here and here. Same thing over here and over here. But a guy on YouTube, I can't remember his channel, but he found the U-shaped plastic thingy that he just not welded, but put here all the way to the end here, and he put some two-way tape, painted the part. It's a plastic part, so he painted it black and put some two-way tape underneath it, stick it on the bumper, and then he did put a screw every 6 or 8 inch, just a little screw to be safe. And with that I could make my L bracket and just put the blackout in the U-shaped bracket on the bumper so it won't move. You know what I mean? So can't find that little plastic piece anywhere around here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I think for now it's going to be just like that, and I'm going to have to think on how I'm going to put that blackout on. Well guys, I just tried the blackout on and it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to have to trim here and over there. So I'm going to have to trim here, take off a little bit of here, maybe 1/8, and maybe 1/8 on the other side too, because it's too long. So that's going to be in the next video. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.